All right, day one of Race Wars. My goal today is to vlog Brad vlogging, me vlogging.
What? A vlog within a vlog. Within a vlog.
What's going on, Frosty? Just getting the big camera ready, bro.
Oh, is that your go? What? Oh, it's my time to shine! Yes. All right, guys. It's my turn. Andrew's had too much limelight. It's now time for Frosty from WA to do a vlog. So it's happening, all right? Let's go around, let's check it out, let's see what's going on. And don't worry about Andrew, he can do his own thing. So as we know, Hawkins doesn't like barras. He's a hater, just because he got beaten by one. So, you know, he'd want to video GDRs, Supras, all that stuff. We're not going to do that. We're going to go and check out some killer barras. You steal a GoPro, just a GoPro, to do a bit of vlogging, and Andrew calls the bloody cops. So this is a man that runs Forged Automotive. He hates being on camera. Oh! Yes! Go the iron line! Being tall, I have many challenges in my life. One thing is, when I sit down, my feet are always on the ground. I'm experiencing something new at Racewars. My feet are dangling in the air when I'm sitting down.
I now have the alternate radial wheels.
Yeah,
but, Andrew, out of the way. We're trying to look at a real car here. So Andrew has one vehicle here that he's not a fan of. So we're going to make sure that he gets lots on this vlog, because I love it. I reckon it's great. It stands out, it's awesome, it's killer. Let's check it out. I love the colour. I don't know why everyone's sort of saying stuff about it. I think it's fantastic. Do you want to tell us a bit about the combo? Thanks, mate. I'm surprised I've still got teeth, okay? I'll be honest with you.
Cheap. So it's a brand new combo compared to last year. It's got a Noonan billet tour deck block.
Holy.
It's got a set of Energies, the latest and greatest cylinder head, again billet.
So it's all billet?
All billet. It's got water flowing through the cylinder heads, and as you see the little dash 10s at the front.
Yeah, right.
A pair of 88s Pro Mods.
88 Pro Mods. And I love the number plate, mate. You definitely brought all the boost. So do you know rough power figures on where you're at the moment?
Well, you were there.
Okay, I was there. I just wanted to, that was just is it okay to say?
Yeah, as you know, it's made just under 2,400 so far. It's at 37 pounds, it made 23.75 or somewhere around there.
So Richard's made the trip from Howtech over to Sydney, from Sydney to WA. Oh, isn't this sweet? Racewars is great, but I've lost my sunglasses, so it's really bright.
It's still good.
They're still good. I will send you. Can I return this? so here we are behind the scenes. We're on the start line. We're probably not meant to be here, but oh well. I just waved this thing around. I don't know if it works or not. So let's check out how it all works and yeah, let's have a look. This race will end all races. Now is the time. Let's make this happen.
Well, I mean, our dyno sheet's out there, right? We know that it's had at one stage 482 horsepower. It has a little bit less at the moment because she's not healthy.
Okay.
This bad boy here, I believe, somewhere in the order of 550. So it's going to be a good race.
Oh.
Now this uniquely designed aerodynamic appendage adds so much into it. How can it possibly work?
Okay, it's going down. It's happening right now. I can't contain my suspense. Are you? Yeah, are you? How'd you go, mate?
Oh man, the front wheel drive, it was just like this in the top end, no speed difference at all, but the front wheel drive has killed me.
Oh, damn it.
And my engine's hot.
It's hot?
It's hot.
Okay, that looks like way too moist to me. However, if you add the WA to it, it's way too moist. Dude, tell me about this.
It's basically it was a daily. It's been heavily modified. I've taken it to the track. It does 120 about Barbagallo.
Yeah,
Most people can't say that about a Hyundai.
How, because WA laws are very strict. How did you get this over the line? How did you get way too moist or why too moist? Either it's gold.
So I tried
quality.
I tried a couple of times, and on the third time, basically, I made a fake website and a fake Facebook page called Moist Irrigation. And so when they looked it up, it all kind of made sense.
Moist irrigation.
I said it was Y too moist for one, and then Z too moist for the next car that I was going to have for the fleet.
Yep.
That's in, and then it ended up working, and that's it. That's it.
Oh, so they found a fake website to a fake business, and they went, oh, that makes sense. We'll let him have Y too moist or way too moist.